On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on? Otter gang. Look at these absolute superstars, man. I'm going to take Mondays off. Like, I feel good today. What's going on, everybody? Thank you guys for being here. My favorite gang. Good morning. Let's go. Good morning. So, yeah, I was busy yesterday. The little man had to go driving. I don't know if you've seen my Twitter post, but the little man had to learn how to drive. He's 6 months, and I figured I'd take him out on the roads, get him affiliated with the charts. So we were doing some Jason Casper trading and driving all at the same time, along with him getting some of his shots, and then spending time with my family yesterday. So thank you, everybody, for being here. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for waiting. I know I didn't give you the short yesterday. I'm sorry. I did give you the bounce level, though. I did. I did. I literally gave you the bounce level to the absolute tits. And I said it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times? How many times did I say it? Let's get into the charts. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Look at these absolute legends. So let me put on my headphone here. Let me see, how many times did we say it yesterday in the Discord? I even shared it with look, I wanted to show you my golf score. I shot a 68. I play golf every weekend indoors, okay? And you can see right here, the Dusty Hunt. There's an announcer in the game, so I always try to make it like Seymour Butts, something funny. So I went with the Dusty Hunt last weekend, and I shot a 68. So thank you, Dusty, for the name. I shot a 68, and I used your name, the Dusty Hunt. So thank you for the good luck, Dusty. But when we go in here, I shared this with everybody yesterday, and I typically only share this with our beautiful Otter Gang family members, but I felt the need, because I was away, to share it. Look at all these absolute legends with everybody, okay? With everybody. So I did. Let's go and check it out. What's going on, everybody? Here to update you guys quickly. Recording has started. On your chart levels, critical levels that you guys should have on your chart is the yearly pivot what is it? Yearly pivot 382, I think. Or quarterly pivot 382, which is down here. If we are going to come down and hit something, it is 86,886. Put that on your charts.
One.
Put an alert on it. 86,886. Put it on your charts. I will say it again. 86,886. Quarterly pivot 382. Very key level. Target of this down move if we are going to continue. Now, there are buy areas along the way. Let's not say that it's only going down here, but that is a critical level alongside with my other critical level ahead of that is... All right. Enough of that shenanigans. I'm not going to be that I told you so, and I'm not going to be that person who says, buy the dip, man. Buy the dip. But damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Anyways, it's good to be back. My God. 86,886. Thank you, Dusty. You're famous now. Now you owe me. I mean, I shared the level with you, man. I shared the level with you. Okay. How many times? Anyways. Whoo-wee. Let's say good morning to everybody. It's been a day. Good to see you all. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Otter gang. We got Lorelei in here, Dragonfly, John Foster, Crypto. Fine. Good morning to you. Happy Tuesday, Swagasaurus. Lex. Let's go. Clay the Great, Trobius. Good to see you. Cheap Vlog. Al Jr. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. The dustiest of the dustiest hunt in all of the crypto world. We also have our beautiful Joan. What's going on? Good to see you as well. Let's square this up here and take a look at where we're at. So we bounced off our beautiful level. We are trying to push out here a little flag below VWAP. I'm going to wait. I'm waiting right now. Trading is waiting as usual, but little flamingo pattern here, as we call it. You know, the leg and the head and the beak here trying to break out, push. We'll see targets up ahead. We'll see if we get there. No trade yet. Expect volatility today. My friends, my family, my gang, let me tell you, expect whipsaw price action today, okay? So let's be very cautious and proceed with cautiousness. Anyways, we're getting our voice back. Let's go. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Andy Lee, good to see you. Good morning to you. CJ Nis, Paul Caruso. Gang. Let's go. Good morning, Buck. Good morning, Cheap Vlog. Andy Lee, Jesse Galluck, Chris Klein. What's going on, Joe Ruiz? Shout out to all the lurkers in the back. We got you, and you who haven't said good morning. I can see you back there. What's going on, French Toaster, Crypto City, Kurosama? What's going on, my man? Lasers, what's going on? Roaming Brave, good morning to you. Good to see you. J Violet, what's going on, everybody? EXO, good morning to you. Andrew Cameron, today I make a lesson learned list and takeaways. That's always good, man. That's always good. Lessons learned and takeaways, yeah. It's always important. You got to try to improve, and the best way, write it down, speak it out loud. The big reason why I got into streaming, right? I wasn't streaming to build a YouTube channel. I was streaming to learn faster. Okay, we got a little breakout coming in here. We got view up above us here. Not really interested in this right now. We do have some areas coming in here. Liquidity in the order block above us. Okay, this is a little bit unsustainable out of this low here, so we'll look for a potential high to come in here and then a retracement back in. Currently, we're looking in here, but we'll see if we do bounce off of this level. For now, let's let it push. Let's see what happens at VWAP. We could get bearish divergence in here, okay, and look to short this thing down. We'll see how it goes, but could be looking for the potential short right now as we speak to keep it very, very simple. We do have bullish divergence on the hourly. Okay, CryptoFace posted this. CryptoFace, by the way, also told everybody to get short yesterday. Just saying, I was driving and CryptoFace said, get short. That's why I shared out his channel. That's why he makes millions of dollars, because he can read the charts a lot better than most. Okay? the most, right? Which is a big compliment because a lot of people can't read this stuff worth diddly squat. Okay, Jason Casper also caught the bottom, so shout out to Jason Casper, another amazing trader. Funny to say, but they are market cipher traders. Okay, as we come in up here, we could be looking for this. We'll see. I would like to see the reaction. Remember, reaction first, confirmation short, okay? Especially this early in the morning, rising to the streets, hanging out with the Otter Gang and making lots of money. I'm in a great mood. I got to take Mondays off, man. This is great. Good morning, Shark Vin Nicholas. Good morning to you, JR. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, we're not talking spot bags here. We're talking about trades, okay? We're talking about trades. That's what I want to know. Spot bags, okay, I've made hundreds off of spot bags. Okay, let's just keep it that. Like 11 is Jesse. Thank you, Jesse, for smacking up that like button. Easy. See what's going on, Nicolas. See Janus. Blood in the streets. We like the blood in the streets. It's good. Good. You should deserve it, and you earned it. Darshan Baba. Let's go. Jay Violet. Andy Lee. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at all these absolute legends in here. Thank you so much for being here. Mo 2. Jay Violet. Dusty Hunt. I do owe you, man. I do owe you. I mean, I shot a 65. My best round is a 65 at Pebble Beach in the simulator, okay? I haven't broken 80 in real life on the golf course, okay? So I shoot typically like an 82 to an 85 when I golf, if you know golf. Okay, my goal this year, I've been taking lessons, I've been practicing. My goal is to break 80 this year. Let's see if I can do it. And then I can quit. Then I can quit doing YouTube. I can golf professionally because, you know, golfers hit in their 70s. No, they hit in the 60s. But anyways, let's go. Frederick, good morning to you. Good to see you. Dominguez. I love what an amazing last name. Why can't I have an amazing name like that, man? That's okay. I actually like my name. You know, imagine growing up and you just didn't like your name. Would you change it? Put a 1 in the chat. If you grew up with a name like Seymour Butts or like, I don't know. I don't want to offend anyone, but I'm going to offend someone. Like what if your name was Dolores, right? Or like, I don't know, Penelope. I don't know. I'm going to offend some people with the name Dolores or Penelope or if you're just like a John. I'm sort of all the Johns out there. What about Dave? What if your name was Dave? I see you, bro. Farside Moon, what's going on, man? What's going on? Good morning, One Harmony. What about Jesse? What? Dragonfly, what's going on, Harry? Oh. Harry Beaton, good morning, good morning. Good to see you. Buck, what's going on? It's a dusty level. Let's go. Judge, good to see you. Ernie, good morning. Thank you for always saying good morning, Ernie. Patrick Swayze from sunny London. Oh, my God. Guys, go buy a lottery ticket. It's sunny in London. He's a Londoner. Hey, Alex, can you explain where you got that bounce from? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. So I told you 5 times, right? I told you 5 times. So quarterly pivot. Let's go into it. Okay. I also have a co-worker. I'm not giving myself all the credit at all. I was aware of this level, but the quarterly pivot would be here. Okay, so whoop, we go in here. Our quarterly, where you have to go in, sorry, right here. So we're going to go right over here, and we're going to get our quarterly pivot. Okay, here's our quarterly pivot. Or is it the one above? It's the one above. Quarterly pivot. Starting right over here, okay? For the quarter. And then we have a beautiful 382. So if we go from swing low, right here, here's our swing low, right? To our swing high. Here's our 382. There's our bounce, okay? That is our level. Okay, and there's confluence in there. There's sweep of the lows. There's liquidity in those lows as well. Okay, so that's how that level was established. Okay, we have levels below there. Okay, but you can see we got all this liquidity in here. We have our beautiful, there's our sweep. Sorry, we weren't as accurate as we would have liked. Why isn't it hitting that wick? There we go. Okay. And straight across to our key level here. Boop. And there's your level. So you're looking in that general area to be hit. That's it. Very simple. Lots of confluence there, though. Confluence. However you say it. Okay? Confluence. Shout out to CVO Trading. If you're not following CVO Trading and you want to learn bat signals and stuff like that, I mean, like Batman, like straight up Batman stuff. I don't know if he's in the chat, but he should be in the chat. I don't know if any of the mods have CVO's channel and they can share it down below. But I can find it. I'll do it fast. CVO Trading. I work with CVO, and it's a bit more technical. Okay, not easy. Amazing person. Amazing person, okay? Go and check him out. Really good. Really good. Good at what he does. Very good trader. Bat signals, shark signals, all that kind of goodies, okay? I work with him in Tom Crown's amazing Discord as well. So he's a great person and an amazing trader, okay? So make sure you're following CVO, okay? It's in the game. CVO. It's in the game, right? Let's get back into this, okay? So, yeah, no swing failure pattern up here. Oh, man, my charts look all weird now that you guys get me all zooming out. I can't zoom out like that. What's going on? Andy Lee, welcome to the baby otters. Let's see some otter gang in the chat. Thank you for being here, Harry, as well. Dylan, good morning to you. Patrick Swayze, the visionary. Red morning. Yeah, it's been pretty nasty. Definitely looking for them to come and sweep some lows down in here. The Dusty Hunt people in After Dirt. Oh, okay. Sorry, excited. Snitch Goblin, what's going on? Thank you for supporting the channel, Andy. Jake Pearson, OG Blockchain. Albino Rhino, John, what's going on? Good to see us. AlexOCrypto. What's going on? Good morning to you, Jabus. Good morning, Little Fish. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Good morning. We are officially at Jesus Take the Wheel level on my chart. Army Piper in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Army Piper, did you get the update on the bounce level? I'm just wondering. Big green bar here. Anyways, we won't go there. Thank you for being here, my man. God bless you. Army Piper. Go check out the Piper Academy. Incredible. Lasers, good morning to you. Kryptonic. Buck, what's going on? J Violet. Sierra, good to see you. Piper, 5 months. Thank you, man. Thank you for being part of the gang. Let's go. Look at all these people. Ondo, what's going on? Walsh Jesse. I'm never going to get through this chat ever. Walsh Jesse, Andy Lee, Andrea. Good to see you as well. Sublime. Let's go. Let's go. He told you to get short. I gave you the target. You guys should have combined the two and made lots of money. Who said to short? Army Piper did. That's the one. So did CryptoFace. CryptoFace said to short yesterday as well. So you guys should be following him. He supports and sponsors this channel. So thank you, CryptoFace, for believing in us. If you're leaving us again, I'm sending Bitcoin to 76. I'm sorry, Dave. Sorry, man. We got 212 people here, 86 likes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. RS Miller, Dragonfly. To fly. All right, we've gotten through it. All right, we've gotten through it. Gang. Awesome. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. I did miss you guys yesterday. As sad as it sounds, I did miss you. So Dixie rolling over here. Couple of things. Trump announced the tariffs yesterday at 8 o'clock last night. So that could have a little bit to do with it. I mean, if we look at where's 8 o'clock here? We look at the 20. Yeah. I mean, tariffs announced right here. So, boop. So that's going to continue. Canada's going to get absolutely spanked. Thanks, Donald. Thanks for giving us a spanking. It's a long, you know what? As a Canadian, I'm not really offended. I'm really just disappointed with my government. Okay, I'm not even mad at Donald. A lot of Canadians are mad at Donald. I ain't mad. I ain't mad. You know what? We made our own bed. Over the last 9 years, Canada has really just destroyed itself, right? And it's hard to watch. It's I might consider moving back to Australia at this point, or maybe we go to England. Probably England. I would probably, if I was going to leave Canada, I would go somewhere hot, or I go to Scotland. Okay, that's where I go. Shout out to Scotland, man. God bless Scotland. At least in Scotland, I have golf and I have no namby-pambies, okay? There's no namby-pambies in Scotland. I mean, there's a couple wankas, but there's no namby-pambies. So we got bull divs here on the hourly. Let's zoom out and do a top down for you guys because it's important, okay? I didn't get to do this with you guys before. So let's look. We have that 382 bounce level that we called last night 5 times. They yelled at you last night. Big green bar, okay? Given in the Discord in advance. If you want updates like that, if you want an amazing gang of traders, $1 a day, limited spots. As soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers, the price is going up. It has to, because it's just too much goodies for the price, okay? Way too many goodies. 4 times. 4 times I said it to you guys yesterday. Where are we bouncing from? 4 times. Okay? Brewberry stepping up, taking over the live stream, giving you guys the trade setups, giving you guys the shorts, okay? Kyle giving you guys the trade setups, giving you guys the shorts. Thesis giving you guys the trade setups, giving you guys all the setups. I mean, incredible. I just had to go and ride my moose yesterday, take my kid to the doctor. That's what you do in Canada. You got to ride your moose. 10 feet snow, all that good stuff. But join us here. We'd love to have you. And even in the free section, I gave you guys the setup, okay? This was me yesterday. Even in the free section, I do share some of the ideas with you guys. So come over there, hang out, be part of the gang. We'd love to have you over there, okay? That's enough shilly business for now. We'll get to more shilling later, okay? The only thing I want to show here is how much I appreciate you guys, and thank you for being here. So breaking down, now we do have some key areas below us, okay? So where are we looking? Really, in my opinion, we have an impulse move up here to the highs, and I'm looking at this as the golden pocket zone, okay? If we get here. Okay, not this impulse, but we have a smaller impulse going up, and away from the low here, okay? Pushing us into that golden pocket, 83,300, okay? 83,300, 83,300, 83,300, 83,300, 83,300. That's exactly what I did with the level last night. So hopefully you put it on your chart. I can't make you do anything. Okay. We look at our weekly. We said we wanted to close above 97,000. Well, we didn't. We put in a spinning top yet again. Okay. We didn't close above here engulfing. Okay. We didn't engulf, and we absolutely pooped the bed yesterday. Okay. We absolutely pooped the bed. Now there's some order blocks and liquidity and lots of liquidity above us. Okay, if we are going to go there. If we are going to continue down, we have our levels. Okay, we're prepared. First level, we're looking below this key level that we just hit is 85,900. Let's call it 85,900. And then we're going down to that golden pocket area that we are interested in down below. Okay, we're not out of the woods yet. The dip will keep on dipping. I posted on X this morning, or on Twitter. I said, those people that keep telling you to buy the dip, okay? Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. What if you lose the range that we did? Are you buying the dip? Okay, maybe you buy this dip. Maybe. But wouldn't you want to buy the dip on confirmation? Wouldn't you want to... Okay, wouldn't you want to see the dip stop dipping? So if you're dipping, right? You're in the dip, right? Okay, this is my pet peeve with people telling you to buy the dip. Okay, you're dipping. People are like, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. You're coming down. Would you not just want to wait for like this? Like right here, I would buy. I would just much rather just buy on the confirmation on a breakup structure and have miss out on what 5%, and then enjoy this thing going up. Okay, that's my thinking. Okay, so buying the dip, I don't know about that saying. I would suggest buy the change in structure, maybe buy the change in character to the upside. Maybe that's your idea, right? And that's all I got to say about that. So let's go into our daily. Let's look at this. And the market cipher is looking nasty. Big old rollover here. Very overextended on our VWAP, trying to push back in. Okay, once you get overextended like this, you're typically looking for some sort of bounce, at least some sort of relief. Okay, very aggressive dump yesterday. And obviously, if you got in the way of that and you tried to long it, you were in trouble. Okay, you were in trouble. You got to wait for confirmation and change of structure. Okay, now that's what I was really going over yesterday. We go into our 12-hour. You can see big old anchor wave. So you're literally waiting for the trigger wave. You got time, man. You got until March, baby. You got until March for something like that, right? We could push right back, okay, but you're looking for that bounce, proper change in structure, getting back within this range. You're not going to have diddly squat until you're back in here, right? Until we're trading within this area here. We are below the value area, which means we are typically heading down. And there's not a lot of support in here, okay? Not a lot. There's a couple of order blocks and stuff like that, but you got to push back, baby. You got to push back, and you got to push back soon, okay? But you're going to have bullish divergence in here. Obviously, whenever you have slow price action, we talk about this quite often, is whenever you have slow price action with a big move with volume, right? So slow, quick, you typically get divergence, okay? So that's something that we're definitely watching for a push up here, but a little bit of patience will prevail. Then we go to our 4, our 3, our 2, and we can see very overextended to the downside. This is going to be a common theme right now. So we're looking for a bit of a pushback here. You don't typically see anchor waves this low on market cipher or any oscillator. So very, very aggressive. Our 3, our 2, and our 1 hour bullish divergence. Okay, we got that bullish divergence on our 1 hour in here. Higher high, lower low. Okay, higher low, lower low. So we got the bull div. We'll see if we push back, but don't think you're buying the bottom. Okay, the bottom can keep bottoming and then it goes lower. Okay, so let's be very careful. Let's expect volatility. After a dump like that, you expect it to be all over the place because they don't want to let you get in on the bottom. Okay, so let's be very cautious with trading today and use good risk management. I guess I took the right day off. I mean, we could have shorted yesterday if you just listened to Crypto Face. I sent you guys the channel in the Discord. So if you didn't short it, that's fine. We'll see if we can find something today. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. We got 280 people here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out with me. You could be anywhere in the crypto world, but you're not. You're here because I don't tell you to keep buying the dip that keeps dipping, dippity. And we make money here. So thank you for being here and supporting the channel. God bless you guys. And thank you for supporting this place because, without you guys, I'd be talking to myself again. Go to Texas. I mean, at this point, I can talk like this and I like things that are big, right? Everything bigger in Texas. And you guys got golf and it's hot. Why not? Lower taxes as well, right? Piper, send me a photo of what kind of house could I get for 3 Bitcoin? I want to know. It's just reciprocal tariffs, tip for tap, but it's not. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt a lot. It is reciprocal tariffs. You are right, Darren. But good morning to you. Sorry I didn't say good morning, but Canada's 70% dependent on the USA, so it's gonna really hurt. It's gonna really hurt. I want that 3-minute bull div to completely buy sweeping the lows at 88.3. Hopefully, and bounce. Hopefully the otters take the wheel. Yeah, we love Jesus take the wheel patterns. That's always good. My gosh, I don't know how many hours it's been since I drank some water. Kelly, get that water in you. You got it. I mean, I just have muddy water. Like, that's all I do is muddy water on tap. Look at the size of this thing. Not that I have a big head, but it's big. Ooh, it's good today. It's really good today. Good to see everybody in here late. Just got off the stream. Not looking good, bruv, unless we reclaim 90. Yeah, absolutely. Hopefully you're doing well over there in the UK. Thank you for being here. There's levels to this. That's the one. Rolling over here. Fair value gaps down below here. Golden pocket coming in. Double top right now. Rolling over. If we lose these lows, we can look for a lower high, right? So we break structure to the downside. We look for this. We take a short off of this. Retest of the previous highs. That's very possible this morning. We'll see what we get. Okay. The trend is down. Let's not be stupid. The trend is down. Let's just be patient here. I had a good discussion with Trader Geo yesterday. We did a podcast recording. And I gave you guys a lot of credit for being the most amazingest community in the whole world. Which you are. I mean, a bunch of beautiful fuzzy marsupials. Look at all you guys. Oh, look at all you guys, man. You guys are incredible. Making this Discord great again. All that good stuff. I am very grateful for the community we've built here. But I was working on shorting, okay? Because you know me. I've been really hesitant to take a short lately. Which is funny because I was born in the bear, baby. Okay, VWAP's above a standard deviation 1. Is this considered a top yet? I would say so. So internal or external golden pocket 786. Look in here. Revisit previous highs for potential long. Let's be ready for that. Let's be ready for this SFP. Okay. And let's be ready to trade today, baby. I'm in a great mood, man. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for being here. 285 people in here, 110 likes. You guys are on fire today. You guys are doing really good. Thank you guys for smacking up those confluence. Yeah, confluence. Who all got wrecked? You guys got to let me know. So a lot of you guys, okay, that's great. Yeah, I like seeing you guys. The most you've made on a trade. I'm 10,000 plus right now. I'm trying to hit a 50 grand trade. That would be that would be I've hit a couple of these, about five or six of these, but that's a bit degenerate. I like just hitting a $1,000 trade. That's the bread and butter, man. $1,000 a day keeps the doctor away. 250 trading days in the year, $250,000 a year. Pretty good money, man. Okay, pretty good money. I would say. I don't know. Do you guys like making doctor salaries? I think it's pretty good. Oh man. Yesterday I did this. ... Shorted, rected, scalped, and made money. Or no trade. No trade is a good option sometimes, right? We talk about that. It's no trade is very important, especially if you're not seeing it. Piper sent me a picture here. Let's see what we got. What are we gonna get for 3? Bro, we be living fancy. You're gonna live fancy. Look at this. There's room for a golf simulator. All right. There's room for a golf simulator. Guaranteed. Everything bigger in Texas. Let's go. 3 Bitcoins, baby. Is it down the road from you or what? I want to be your neighbor because I know you'd protect me. I know Piper's got well, what could we say to not get canceled in Canada? Weapons of mass. You know the rest. I would definitely have to have Piper as my neighbor. because I just want to pet his dog. That's pretty much it. But shout out to Piper's dog. Oh man, chopping at the bit right now. Very slow motion here. Very uncertain. People are letting this bake in that that the market kicked them in the gonads yesterday. Pretty wild. Weapons of mass protection. That's the word. Yeah. If we live in Texas, thank you for the $2 super chat, Piper. If we live in Texas. Yeah, 1-bedroom apartment here. Same with Canada. Same with Canada, Tony. It's pathetic. You could get real mud water in Texas. Yeah, the real coffee, eh? That would be cool. I like to build my own. I wonder what the building codes are like in Texas, though. I guess you don't have basements. You don't have you just pour foundation. Anyways, we don't have to get into that. As a carpenter, I know all the building codes. Okay, looking like double top here rolling over. Might take a stab at this actually. Might take a little half position. I really got to get my feet wet with the shorts, friends. I really got to get the feet wet. There's no really invalidation point except for the high. That's why I really don't like it yet. But we sweep this low here. We're coming down. We can go a half a position size maybe. Down into the golden pocket. Nice little. We got a nice 1% move down into here. Let's look for this one here. We got to lose this low here first. Let it pop down and then pop back up, and then we look to short it. Got to lose this first, though. I got to get I don't mind taking a loss on a short right now. I literally, there it is. Should have gotten it, right? I literally just need to press the sell button. Like, when you've really denied yourself of shorting the market. You can see this was rolling over a mile away, right? Popping back up here, revisiting previous highs. Good volume in that move. Good volume. Money flow rolling over. Double top. Mitigation of the high. Okay. It's all there. Popping back up, revisiting of previous highs. Looking for the short here. $88,890. $88,890, a little bit lower. Right around here. We'll see if we pop back up. We could look a little bit higher, actually. Let's be patient here. Let's say this is our low, right? Looking for 382 continuation right here. 89,000. 89,000. That would be kind of cool. A little order block in here. Good volume in that move. Rolling over. Getting everybody a little bit spooked. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. Let's see if we do pop up here. I need to just press short though, guys. I do. I'm just upset with myself. The last 2 weeks. How many shorts did we miss the last 2 weeks? Friends, we talked about this. How many shorts? Okay. We go back. Let's zoom out into the range that we were trading. Okay. This was our range on the live stream. Okay. Called this short, 1, 2, called this short 3, called this short 4, and called this short 5, okay? 5 trades, perfectly called the tops on all of them. You can see the red line in here. We said short, and we didn't take it. Not impressed with myself, okay? We left a lot of money on the table because I was being a namby-pamby. This is reflection. You always got to look at what you've been doing right and what you've been doing wrong. Okay, we were 5 for 5 one week, and then we were 1 for 4 last week, okay? So we need to always be assessing where we can be better and then making adjustments along the way. Talking to friends who you respect in the space, that's why community is so important, and being like, hey, man, I'm struggling with shorting lately. What do I need to do? Okay? How do I justify shorting? Right? Because I'm a very comfortable, good short trader. Like, I love shorting the market. Born in the bear. However, I've been failing at my job lately, right? No follow-ups. Kryptonic, what's going on? Property taxes are quite high in Texas, though. Starter from the bottom. Let's go. Let's hope USDT dominance only wants to recover the daily vector and is going back down now. Let's see, Tony. Good to see you, my man. Hopefully you're doing well. Tony Soprano, the bird next door. What's going on? Good morning to you. Airdropper, what's going on? On what time frame do you look for the change in market structure to confirm the trend change? Typically, I look for confirmation of trend change on the 15-minute time frame. Okay? Typically. So, and yes, we're on the 3-minute time frame, but you should, if you're zooming in and you cannot see the 15-minute time frame on the 3-minute time frame, if you can't see where the significant levels are, you need to zoom out. You can't, you have not earned the privilege to trade with a microscope, okay? Okay, if you cannot see the structure within this area here, okay, and you don't have defined rules for your structure on your time frames, you need to zoom out and figure it out. Because I can see this on a 3-minute time frame, okay? Right? We're still in a downtrend, right? What do we need to get above? This high here, right? We can look for the higher low and continuation, but we should be favoring the downside, correct? So if you're going to zoom in like AlexOCrypto or like any other trader or scalper or whatever, you need to be able to see that in this. I know that this is the high we need to take. I know that this is a double top. I know that this is trying to put in a higher low and trying to get up into here. Okay? Coming into our short zone, no trade just yet. But you need to understand that before you have the opportunity. Okay, 618 here coming up. No trade yet. We could look for 3 drives up at the high here. Just saying. Bounce off of our volume level as well. I would like to see 89.7. This would be our 618. Just visually coming up into here. Okay. No trade yet. We got a little bit of a trigger wave pushing us up right now. Let's see how that cools off and how that plays out coming up into possibly this order block in here. No trade. Still waiting. Good morning, RS Miller, Hodl, Crypto, Jesse Gluck, Joe Bell. What's going on? Yeah, I lost 4 longs yesterday. I'm sorry to hear that, Joe Bell. It's okay. Trading is waiting. And as long as you're practicing good risk management, you should be able to handle those longs. It would be a buy. Yeah. Inverse head and shoulders. We wait. Sink in toaster. Toaster, you got a fellow toaster in the chat. Piper says I told you so. Okay, make sure you listen to Piper. He knows what he's talking about. He's a veteran in the charts and in real life. Just reading dumpster fire Elon post. Let's go. Brewberry was legit. Yeah, Brewberry is an amazing trader. An amazing trader. And he goes live right after me, and we typically send this stream over to him. So if you stick around, we'll send you over there after the stream. Left the Canadas for the Philippines a year and a half ago. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. We're doing to ourselves. Look at us helping the war sickening money. Okay, you know what's crazy? Canada gave Ukraine $5 billion. This is what I was talking to my wife. Canada gave the Ukraine $5 billion. Okay, we're dead ass broke. Okay, Canada is in very big trouble right now. The EU gave Ukraine $3.3 billion. How many countries? I was reading this to my wife yesterday. Canada, one country. The EU, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Lithuania, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Latvia gave 3.2. Where did we get this money? Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Spain, Sweden. Where do we get? Canada, $5 billion. EU, 3.2. This is why we're going broke. They wonder why Canada's homeless and impoverished. Scotland is wonderful. I love Scotland. Yeah, Scotland has my heart. I lived in Scotland for a year. It's amazing. Okay? 100 more likes, 169 more likes. Let's go. 360 people in here. Let's go. 125 likes. Incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with the gang. Looking for the potential short here. We got a nice break of structure here. I might take a stab here. Cup and handle? You're really stretching out that cup. Like, I don't think so. I think we're coming down here. I do like this. Let's zoom in a bit here. Nice rejection here. I'm going to take a half a position size here. I'm going to get in. Half a position size, giving myself a little bit more wiggle room. Looking to come down to the golden pocket. I'm in right now. I needed to take a short, guys. That's just the way it is. I might take profits early here, but I needed to press sell. It's like been on my conscience lately. Okay, so I'm in here. Half a position size, only $50,000, but we'll see if it does want to come down right now and roll over into our fair value gap. Easy trade here. Looks like a nice rejection off the top here, 618. Continuation to the downside. We'll see if it does roll over. Okay. Yeah, it did get bought up here a bit, but I think this is low risk. Low risk. Looking for a simple rollover, revisit of the highs here. Pretty much looking here, 1-to-1 trade. We'll see if we get it. May take profit early. I think I just needed to press sell. Even if I get stopped out here up at the highs, that's fine. But I just needed to press sell, so I'm just going to press sell today. Sometimes you got to force it because it's like, okay, dumbass, you've seen... This is, I'm talking to myself. I'm saying, okay, dumbass, you've seen the short trade so many times and you haven't taken it. So just get uncomfortable and take the trade, right? Pushing down here. Looking for a little bit more continuation into this fair value gap. See if we lose this low. I'm in a bit here. Let's keep going. I'll see it lose this low here. I'm in. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Push down. Push down, 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 down. No follow through here. No follow through. Come on. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live, hanging out with me. We got 380 people here. 139 likes. If we could get those likes to 200, then I shut up. I always shut up after 200. Okay? If you are new here, thank you for being here. Subscribe. Join us in the Discord. I mean, I gave you guys the level. I said it 4 times to you guys yesterday. Okay? I said this on... in the
what's going on
at
everybody?
everyone. So the free section, I said this to you guys. So make sure you guys are here,
on here,
hanging out.
Is this final?
I can't even hear it anymore.
I can't tell you guys. I can't. One of my critical levels that you guys should have on your chart is the yearly pivot.
What is it? Yearly pivot 382.
Quarterly pivot. I think
I was wrong.
Or quarterly. Sorry, quarterly pivot 382, which is down here. If we are going to come down and hit something, it is 86,886. Put that on your charts. Put an alert on it.
Bitcoin rolling over here.
86,886. Put it on your charts. I will say it again. 86,886. Quarterly pivot 382. Very key level. Target of this down move. If we are...
Anyways. I think I did all right. I'm tooting my horn, okay? I wasn't even on the charts yesterday. At least let me toot my horn. Bitcoin pushing back here. We knew this trade was going to be a slow one. We knew this was going to be a slow one, didn't we? Utterly degenerates. Let's go. That's the one, man. That's us. How is baby crypto? The baby's doing good, man. Had his shots yesterday. Didn't even cry. Absolute legend. Like, I would have cried. But, you know, my son's already tougher than me, which is cool. Property taxes, yeah. Shorted and scalped and bummed all profits for me. Oof. Spammer in the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here. That was pretty good, to be honest. Wasn't an echo. We'll see how we go here, JR. I'll never forget that Frankie Candles story with the splooshy water. The story's right in the Discord, man. Pushing up here. The story is right in the Discord. It's the origin story. If you go to the welcome section in the Discord here, and click the top, there's your story. Forbidden water. Okay? It's all about the forbidden water and the candle mafia. That's how the Otter Gang was born. Okay? If you want to read the origin story, it's right there for you. It's right there. Oh, man. The corn's struggling right now. No push. No push down. We're trying to push back up here. We could come, like I said, we could come back up in here. Mitigate the high. 3 drives, then come down. That's very possible. I needed to press short, my friends, okay? I needed to press it. It was just in the books. I am in the short. We'll see if it does want to roll over. Nice trigger wave here on the 15-minute, trying to push down. Okay? I would like to see this come back into this golden pocket area first before heading higher. Then coming to mitigate. So we're looking for something like this and then mitigating this high over here so we get above here. Okay, then we can look for anything after that for this and then go, or even a higher low and then go. Okay, very possible. Okay, Bitcoin pushing back up here. Yeah, being a bit of a namby-pamby. That's fine. See if we can get a rejection and continuation to the downside. Rolling over. Hopefully that 15-minute trigger pushes down here. We do have money coming up, though, so cautious. Kind of contrarian, right? You have VWAP coming down, flattening out, and then you have money coming in. which is money is always going to be king, but always flattening out should be an interesting little battle we get here between whether the trigger wave wants to continue to push or whether money rolls over or continues to push. Okay, always be sure to watch your indicator. Right, you have a couple of You can see this is your long-term trend. Obviously, we dumped yesterday, and you have a downtrend here within market cipher. Right, any trigger wave was an opportunity to sell. Right, if you sold on the downtrend on a trigger wave, right, here's your trigger wave, here's your trigger wave, here's your trigger wave. I wouldn't say that's ready. Right, if you sold on these, you're making money. Right, money. Right, all the way down. So we'll see if this is money as well. Okay, we have a trigger wave again. Not saying it's going to be perfect, but it's a pretty good little simple strategy, right? Simple strategy. I just want to see this come down to 80, 88.5, 88.6, 88.6. I want to see it lose that low. So we'll see if we do come down in here. 88.6. Yeah. Right now, little battle. You want to battle? You must be crazy. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Incredible. You guys are the reason. The Otter Gang. Incredible. Trading is waiting, but we're not waiting today. We needed to force, because of the behavior of my trading lately, I needed to force a short. That's just it. That's like it's a justifiable short. Yeah, I would have loved to catch the double top mitigation of the high. This is a retrace after breaking structure to the downside. Okay, so we are in a downtrend. We have retraced back up to the highs in here, probably a 786 platinum pocket if we're looking at it. So we go swing high to swing low, right? Yeah, platinum pocket, 786, okay? In a downtrend. Break a structure to the downside. Whoop, broken structure here, right? So we get double top, broken structure, retest, continuation, right? So comes up, fails to get above the high over here. Double top, break of structure to the downside. Continuation trade. Okay? Looking to just get down into here. It's very justifiable. Half a position size. So I can have a little bit more wiggle room on the stop loss. That's it. Very, very simple. Okay. And I can close it out anytime. Like I could close it out now if we wanted to, and then readjust if you guys want. What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if we should keep the trade open. Put a 2 in the chat if we should close the trade. Okay, you guys let me know. We over here hanging out in our beautiful trade setup here, just sitting on it, right? Just sitting on it. Keep the trade open. Close the trade. What do you guys think? Always sharing the trade setups. There's the stop loss above the high, right? I don't lie to you guys. I always keep it straight. 12,000 in the account. I should actually rotate 2,000 of that out. I haven't done that. I should rotate that out. Okay. Just showing the trades every single day. And the position size, $50,000, half a position size right there. I don't know what else you guys want me to show you. You guys want me to show you my ETH? I don't know. What else do you want? Always showing you guys the trades, what I'm in, how I'm doing it, what I'm doing, yada, yada, yada. 1, keep it open. 2, close it. 1, keep it open. 2, close it. Darren says to close it. I might go with Darren here. 2 says to close it. Zena. I didn't see your pink hand, Zena. I don't know if I should listen to you. I don't know. I'm jelly. I want to take Alexandra G to dinner. Ooh. That would be cute. I don't know. Alexandra G. Is Dave going to be okay with that? Because Dave be touching your butt in the picture here. You see Dave, this Dave Digital over here. And we got Alexandra G down here. I put Dave next to Piper just in case he wants to misbehave, you know. Tony Soprano's within close reach too. So be careful, Dave. Don't be touching Alexandra G's butt. We're watching you, man. We're watching you. So you guys think I should keep it open? Rolling over a little bit here. Rolling over a little bit here. Come on. Roll over Bitcoin. Roll, baby. You know what? What is it at? 110 bucks? I'm going to take that off. Oh, I didn't even take it off properly. Sorry. Oh, damn. I didn't limit out of that. Let me see if watch, it's going to drop now. Let's go, baby. Oh, nice sweep of the lows. Bouncing away from me. It's bouncing away from me. It's running. All right, I'm going to take that off there. A quick little win to start the week off with a quick little win, okay? Starting it off with a quick little win, we took a good old 100 USDT out of the market. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's see some OGs and some GGs in the chat. A quick little $100. Closed out, as you guys can see. Okay, as you all can see. Always sharing it. Okay, sharing is caring. Quick little $100. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. GG's in the chat. All right, so we're up a little bit. Hey, it's a good start, man. It's a good little start. No complaints here. Dave Digital touching peaches. Quick little win. Thank you, Al Hoo. I'll show you my trade history, whichever one you want, man. Okay. Keep pushing, baby. Continuation. 360 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with the gang. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new, hanging out with us. God bless every single one of you guys. Incredible. Incredible. Maybe I should have held this. The 50 loves to slap you. Yeah, it's true. It's true. If Alexandra takes me to dinner, I'm getting the lobster. You're fancy, Dave. You're fancy, bro. Good to see you. Maybe it's time for me to create my otter. Yeah, it's up to you. I mean, everybody keeps putting in otters late. I gave you guys a deadline for the merch. I got 2 otters to add to the picture, and I don't have room. So it's getting to the point where it's almost annoying. Been making this collage of otters for 2 weeks instead of getting the merch done. So Mojo, my wiener dog, just rolled over. Time to short. Paul Caruso, let's go, Mojo. Mojo for the win. Luna Moon, awesome. GG. JR trusts the risk management. Thank you, man. Hey, bro, I'm new to crypto, but isn't this movement we've waited for fundamentals better than ever before and the price grabbing all of the liquidity? Absolutely. Yeah, it's very good. Welcome to crypto. Stay with the winners. Piper Academy. over here. People won't mislead you. Miss Teen Crypto, Billy Goat Tails, Tom Crown, Jason Casper. If you're new to investing, just please be careful. Heavy Bitcoin portfolio, man. I'm 80% Bitcoin and I'm still smiling, all right? Still smiling. Little chop this morning coming into market open. Lunar Beaches, Crypto, what's going on? Fast Crypto, what's going on? Good morning to you, Fast Crypto. Good to see you. F1, good morning. Good to see you as well. I'm trying to fight my tilt today. Took my worst loss yesterday in 2 years, but staying positive. Small trades today. Yeah. Andrew, just be disciplined with the stop loss, man. It's okay to get stopped out. Probably trading a bit of hopium yesterday, hoping the price would bounce back, and it probably didn't. And that's typical of the Bitcoin market. That's why we use stop losses. The dip keeps on dipping, right? And this looks a little bullish now. Good close on that trade. Looks as though it wants to push. I don't know if it's coming back here. But it looks like it wants to push. We got 25 minutes till market opens. Took a little hundo out of the market today. Okay. Very slow price action. You guys know me. Patience is going to be key here. Okay. I didn't understand the assignment. Yeah, so I'll give you guys to the end of the week. I think I have lucky deals to put in. I got to do Trader Geo as well, so lucky deal. That's, dude, is this, put a 1 in the chat if this is a squirrel. That does not look like an otter. Put a 1 in the chat if this is a squirrel. Put a 2 in the chat if that's an otter. To me, that's a friggin' squirrel. Squirrel or otter? 1 in the chat if it's a squirrel. 2 if it's an otter. I think it's a squirrel. You can submit it. Ask Alex anything. Put it in this chat. Otherwise, it's not going in the picture. Cutoff is Friday. Be there or be square. Cutoff is Friday. Seriously. No more. Okay? Everyone. Last chance ever. Friday for sub. I can't spell submission. There it is. You've been warned. That's it. Did you guys say it's a squirrel? Tell me it's a squirrel. Bitcoin rolling over here. Good night, LBC. Oh, LBC's getting up. It's a squirrel, right? Yeah, see, I told you. It's a damn squirrel. It's an otter? Okay, looking a little push here. The so-called bull run's going to turn everyone into BTC maxis, yeah. Absolutely. Good morning. Out and about, my friend. Bascruton, bonjour. Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien. Tu parles français? Ah oui, oui. What's the fees on BloFin? Well, if you don't like the fees on BloFin, you can use the MexC link down below. You can also use the Bitunix link. The Bitunix just recently partnered with this channel. I've been using their exchange. I actually do like it. I really do. It's really good. It's got good liquidity. We do have a good deal on Bitunix. That's our most recent partnership. If you do want to sign up there, I would appreciate you guys using the link as well. A pretty awesome little sponsorship. Look at all these otters. You guys made me cut every one of these out, put them all together. It started like this. Okay, now it's like this. You guys are insane. Okay, but if you do want to sign up with Bitunix, this is the one here. I would really appreciate you guys using the link. We got a deposit bonus. You get quite a lucrative deposit bonus, which is actually really sick, if you ask me.
So you guys can use that if you do want to support the channel. Would appreciate you guys trading alongside us using our trusted exchanges. We do vet the exchanges very thoroughly. We do not shill just random exchanges that we have not done research on, okay? We always look at the reserves. We always look at that stuff. Look at what happened with Bybit, okay? Bybit, honestly, very good demonstration of professionalism, okay? Bybit showed some true character with handling the biggest hack in all of crypto history. It's a leprechaun. Dave. It's a squatter. A squatter. It does legs, eh? It does. It's a mini Irish bear. Creighton, see what's going on. Walsh Jesse. Good morning, everybody. Will you add a hockey ATA? Of course. Yeah. You gotta submit it this week, man. I'm not a Photoshop artist, okay? I'm here to make money and trade with you guys. Little bounce off of this. Two nice little wicks to the downside, bull divs. You really got to pick this apart if you're going to get long here. Like, really. I'd prefer down here. We'll see what we get. Double top, rolling over. Like I said, the justification in the short, right? Not coming for the high. Breaking down. Hitting our critical level given yesterday. 5 times. 4 times, whatever. Bouncing, flagging, bouncing. Okay. Failure to get above the high. Double top. Mitigation of the low. Mitigation of the high, then mitigation of the low. Breaking structure to the downside, looking for continuation down into this golden pocket area for a higher low. Will we get it? We'll have to wait and see. Okay, 350 people here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. I did miss you guys yesterday. I did. I'm probably going to lose my voice today. We've taken 1 trade this morning already. Amazing. You guys are submitting your otters. Okay, we got One Way with the beautiful Jesus hat. Love you, One Way. Thank you for being part of the gang. But yeah, get your otters in, please. I'll cut out the background. I'll do the rest. I'll add you to the picture. And then I'll recut out the whole picture. I don't mind. But Friday's your cutoff. I ain't doing it again. I've done it like 4 times now. Lucky Deal says, okay, I'll fix that squirrel. You know, the Leonardo missed the track a bit. That's it. It does look like a squirrel. Okay. NASDAQ trying to break out of this, trying to get above. Okay. Very, very slow. We got a lot of liquidity here on the S&P rolling over here, hitting our critical level of 59.80. Okay, we'll see how the S&P opens up this morning. I wouldn't expect it to open up too nicely. Okay, it's been rolling over quite aggressively. And with the news of the tariffs, I would expect more down. Okay, more down. Dixie rolling over. Weakness in the dollar is good. Does have critical support here at 106, so we're watching that as well. And then when we zoom out here on the NASDAQ, what we see is simply uptrend being mitigated, revisit of previous highs. Okay, something that I'm always interested in. It's coming back into these kind of levels. And then we clearly have this support level within here. Okay, so there's some support below us on the NASDAQ. Big, nasty rollover here. Okay, coming back for all of this in here, which is typical. And we'll see how it goes, okay? Nasty, nasty, nasty. We could just trade on Bitunix today if you guys want. They gave me $500 to trade with. Okay, we can just go and trade over here. Pumping, baby. Bitcoin pumping. Double bottom in here, pushing back up here. Let's get long. Market in. We're getting long. How much are we putting on? All of the money here. Let's put on all the money. Getting long. Take profit up here. Stop loss down here. Okay, liquidation price. Trying to push. Look how easy it is. Look at that.
Trying to push. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push. Hit my TP. Very simple. Keeping it simple, stupid, is what we like to do here. Can we get continuation follow through here? Bitunix trying to push. Come on. Take it. Yeah. Look at that. We just lost money because obviously fees. Okay? Very simple. Very simple. Look at that. Winning trade even though we lost money. That's kind of funny. Okay? Nice push here for Bitcoin. No trade, just waiting still. A little bit. We've mitigated this high now. We're pushing back up, coming in for a VWAP. Remember, we said 3 drives this morning. The 3 drives for the short. I mean, who doesn't like burning the free money for the exchange, right? This is where I'm interested in. We'll see if we get the reaction we want to see. Big push up. Remember, slow and fast. Slow and fast. Slow, fast, right? This is fast. What is this going to give us, everybody? Let me know in the chat. Slow and fast. Slow, fast. What is this going to do? Okay. You guys know. I teach you guys every single day. It's a leprechaun. I got to get some more coffee. I'm out. I'm out of my giant mug. I had a giant mug today because it's Tuesday, baby. I see you guys all looking at my my beautiful folder there. There's nothing in there for you guys anyways. I wish I had something for you guys, but I don't. I just wanted to play you guys some music while I get some more coffee. Push it. I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
All right. Music's done. AlexOCrypto. All right. Push and pop, right? Push and pop. So drop it now. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. You guys dancing in here or what? Let's go. Let's go. Bear Div, thank you. Thank you. You guys are smart. All right. What exchange do you recommend for us? So I swing trade on Bitunix and BloFin. I scalp on MexC, and I also scalp on BingX occasionally. I haven't used BingX in a while. I've been more MexC lately. But those are the 4 exchanges that we've done research on that we all use, that we trust, that have good reserves, that we vetted. Okay, so Bitunix and BloFin for swing trading. And then for scalping, MexC and BingX. Those are the only exchanges I do partner with. Look at this dump, baby. Let's go. Is that our 618? That was our 618, I think. Yeah, 786, 618. Rejection. Rolling over. Want to see it down here, right? Nice rejection here. Coming into market open, we got 9 minutes, okay? Good little rejection. We've taken one little short scalp, okay, $100. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Oh, Tony Soprano. You'd be proud of my coffee today, Tony. It's good. Bitcoin to 50K tomorrow. I asked Sailor. Alex cracked me up. Then we lost money. Welcome, AC. Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here. Lunar Beach is crypto. What's going on? Looks like falling wedge oversold. Okay. Dave Digital. Always wear when you're sexting. Yes. Very careful. But do you trust him with your security? How do you make an order? Oh, ChatGPT would be your best bet. Lunar Beaches, what's going on? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Long ladies last night, up 165%. Let's go. Crypto Cheat, crushing it. Let's go. Good to see you. Non-KYC, Kelly, yes, you can. You should be able. Je parle français, oui. I'm a maxi now. Let's go. Clay the Great, what's going on? Empathy, mon. Okay, I was in French immersion for 5 years in school. So my vocabulary is not as good as it used to be. Let's say that. I'm very under practice, but I understand French pretty good. Bear divs. That's good. We're all learning here. That's great. Taking a stab. That's me. That's me taking a stab. Not right now, though. We're waiting. Trading is waiting, baby. Trader Joe. Trade Intuition. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. You guys can go check out Trade Intuition. Another trader as well. Alex B. More pain for... Yeah. I think more pain in open here. Coming down to what we wanted. With that short initially, I wanted to see this short do this, but that's fine. Fair value gaps in here, golden pocket down below in here. We'll see if we get the bounce, okay, as we roll over. Into market open, we're expecting the SPY to open up weak, okay, with the tariff news from yesterday. If we're looking at an ES chart even, we can look at the ES here. It's trying to bounce, but a very, very big old roll over. Okay, so very careful here. The NASDAQ trying to hold on for dear life here, breaking out of this downtrend, but yeah, nasty again. Okay, Bitcoin, 3 drives here, bullish divergence coming in right now. Not for me. Okay, not for me. Looking for the short up higher, VWAP, we'll see. Okay, if we break VWAP and we push, we can jump on the happy-go-lucky trend here. I would like to see this come a little bit lower. This would be more of like a 382 bounce if we're looking right now of continuation here. So 382, 0.5. Okay, so even a little bit lower. We could go from the very bottom here and look at that. And you can see we do have a 382 touch here. But don't want to split hairs with our analysis. It's never going to help us. Right? We want to stick to our key levels and where we're looking for a price to actually give us a reaction that we're comfortable taking a trade, alongside with having a decent area to practice good risk management. If we get long here, our stop loss below the low. We're not putting our. How are we going to put our stop loss below this low if we're getting long up here? That's quite a trek down. Okay, so we definitely want an invalidation point. That's typically why we go off confirmation, right? Higher high, higher low, mitigation. This is your stop, your entry, yada, yada, yada. That's going to give you good risk management practice and principles and allow you to have longevity within your trading journey, okay? Because it is a journey. Double bottom. Yeah. We do have a bull div on the 1 hour. Okay, so when looking through this, we could see a couple of things that we're interested in. Double bottom. Bullish divergence on the 1 hour, pushing up, trying to see money flow get going. If anything, we're still just retracing and dropping as we continue this big downtrend. I don't know if this is the one. Yeah, big downtrend here. So trend is down. We should be looking for shorts primarily. Target of the move is up here. So if we're going to get long today, our target's going to be 91,250. That's going to be our previous day's low. Okay, that's where we're looking for us to come back up to. Previous day's low. If we're looking here, nice bounce. We got 2 minutes till market opens. Okay, like we said, choppy as well. So they're gonna wreck bulls and bears here. So we got to be very careful with our entries and with our risk management. That's going to be critical here. Surviving, this chop, right? Yeah, target is up here as previous day's lows. If we just turn this on here, you can see we got our previous day's lows. Okay, so definitely a target for us to get to and getting above this trend line and VWAP today. So the price got some work to do. Flagging out right now, trying to get above this high first. First job is to get above this high, grab that liquidity. Patience. Patience will prevail, as always. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream, hanging out with us every single day. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., trading Bitcoin on a daily, showing the trades, giving the trades, giving the setups, giving the key levels, calling the key levels. Sometimes we're good, right? That was a really good call yesterday. I'm going to toot my horn about that one for a while, just so you guys are prepared to hear me say I called the bottom. No. I'm not going to say I called the bottom. I'm just going to say that I warned you. It's okay to say that, I told you guys this, but I said it 5 times yesterday, so I'm going to continue to say it. Dave Digital. What's going on, bro? How's your week going, Dave? Hopefully you're doing well. Emma, good to see you as well. Hopefully you're doing well. Shout out to Emma and Randy Hipper. For those who don't know, a silver cross indicates more downside. Source, Eric Crown. Eric Crown Crypto, man. If you're not following Eric Crown, I don't know what you're doing, man. You're missing out. Can I look at DEI? Otters don't participate in DEI. We're based on merit. SEI held up quite nicely though yesterday. I agree. Don't typically look at altcoins here.
Everything is putting in a double bottom. That's pretty much the story. Can it hold, right? Double bottom, can it hold? Everywhere, right? SEI to whatever you're looking at. Yes, SEI held up a lot better yesterday. Still, big sweep, holding up. And everything else, double bottom. See, it's very similar. Look, it all looks the same. It all looks the same, right? Why? Because of Bitcoin dominance. Okay, don't need to be a wizard, Harry, to figure that one out. So pay attention to Bitcoin. If you want a leveraged Bitcoin trade, maybe look for Bitcoin setup and then take a trade on your altcoin. But dominance is at 62%. Okay, climbing. Chop suey this morning. Market is open. S&P, pretty even gap. Double bottom on the S&P, okay? Let's let it materialize this morning. So double bottom S&P, ring, ring, ringy. Smoking the ling, lingy. Market is open. Okay, very chopped city here. Looks like it's rolling over a little bit right now. We'll see how it behaves. Patience. Patience, patience, please. That's all I ask is for you to be patient. Wait for your setups today, tomorrow, into the next day. Every single day is an opportunity. If you practice good risk management. If you trade your ideas, not your feelings. If you're not over leveraged. If we can keep going. Rolling over a little bit here. S&P rolling over as well. We expected this morning. No gap to the downside, though. So if we were expecting a gap to the downside, well, could we get something like that? We'll see. NASDAQ, higher low, coming in right now. Dixie, rolling over. Bullish. Okay, so we wait. I would like to see us come into here. Maybe our standard deviation 1,786. We have a critical level here right at 88,000. We'll see if that will hold if we do roll over from here. We are holding this volume level right now, trying to bounce back up. No trade as of yet. Okay. A little trigger wave here on the 3-minute. Or 24 minute gave us a trigger to the downside. So don't want to be yeah, you got some rolling here and flattening out money flow. So looking okay. Not perfect, but looking okay here. The 12-minute here, have we bounced off the 0 line on our trigger wave? That's a good question. Let's see if it loads for us. It's kind of being slow today. So yeah, we have now rolled over, so we can look for a potential push up here in the short term. I would like to see this if we're going to get it. That would be ideal. Otherwise, we're coming down here and looking for a bounce. Looks like we're getting a bit of a rollover here. As to be expected this morning, a little bit of choppy price action. Thank you for being here on the live with me. 340 people here. Outstanding, utterly degenerate superstars. You know I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. A little pushback coming here. Not something I'm taking. Just waiting right now. Okay. Indecisive. How you all feeling after yesterday? Did it hurt? How's your portfolio looking? Did you don't want to talk about it? You guys upset? Sitting on hands watching. Dusty Hunt. Thank you for the golf score, man. What do you guys think I should use for my golf name this upcoming Sunday? I go golfing every Sunday. I went with the Dusty Hunt. last weekend. Then I went for Seymour Butts before that. Gang, let's go, Newbie Crypto. Thank you for being here. Trade Intuition. Orlando. Any creamer or milk with your coffee? Yeah. In Canada, we have 18% and 10% creamer. My wife won't let me use the 18%, so I use no creamer though. It's dark roast Starbucks Verona coffee, and I get hated on all the time. That's fine. I love the trolls. You guys can all hate on you can poo-poo my coffee all you want. It's my mud, not yours. Did you know that there is less caffeine in a dark roast versus a light roast? A light roast is cooked. It's actually cooked less. Therefore, has a stronger value of caffeine in it. I bet you didn't know that, did you? How did you get yesterday's 86K level? The perfect level that we gave you guys in advance? Well, it's a quarterly pivot and a 382 of the entire range. A quarterly pivot and a 382. And liquidity, okay? I mean, you couldn't call it any more perfect. You zoom out, you pull your fibs, okay? You get rid of all the on your chart. Okay. We were talking about it in Tom Crown's Discord CVO trading. Okay, there's your 382. Here's your quarterly pivot. Oh, wait, so one above that. And you got liquidity in the lows there, okay? So very, very simple, but yet effective. Ask Piper about the pivots, baby. It's all about those pivots. Check that quarterly pivot level. It's very powerful. Looks like Bitcoin wants to roll over here. No trade as of yet. Okay, trading is waiting. I'm always watching the trading on the other screen as well. Okay, so when I do flip over, don't think I don't see what's going on. We're watching it. Okay, a little patience here. Patience is going to pay us after. We can get an inverse head. We can get an inverse head and shoulders here. That's very possible, right? It's all there. It's just, you don't want to, I would rather take this long where I can practice good risk management, because this is still on the table for something like that. Okay, so we don't want to be a victim to a rollover here, because once it rolls, it doesn't really stop. Elevator down. Never forget that. Elevator down. So always, always, always use a stop loss. Even more so when you're getting long. Okay? Because elevator down. Do you want to be a victim of elevator down? I don't think so. Because I know you, because you're like me. And if you don't have the stop loss here and price comes through here, okay? If you're like me and price comes in here, you don't have the stop loss, right? And it goes elevator down, right? And you would have been stopped out right here. Now you're praying and wishing that it comes up to here so that you can get out. Don't tell me you don't. Don't tell me you don't, because I know I'm the same. I used to be the same here. Instead of taking the loss, it'll take elevator down like it is right now. Golden pocket bounce right now as we're speaking. Golden pocket. I want 786 here, really. That it goes elevator down and you're just praying that it gets back up to break even. I know you guys, because I was there too. Okay, that's why you put the stop loss in right away. You know where you're wrong. You got to know where you're wrong. Otherwise, you're friggin' gambling. Okay, I ain't your mother, but I'll tell you what you're doing. You're gambling. So we set our target up here, 90,000, 91,000. That's our target for the day, trying to get up to our previous day's low. So we got a good target. Sweeping down into the golden pocket. No confirmation on this trade yet. Wait for confirmation. Right, losing this low, coming down. That would have been a great short this morning. Would have been a lot of waiting though, right? A lot of waiting. That would have been a good old $400 if we had waited for that, but that's fine. We were right with the direction here. We took the short We took our profits. We got out here. Our stop loss was above this high here. So we could have waited through this and cashed out right now. Is anybody in the short? Let me know in the chat. Would love to know. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang, gang. We got 340 people here. 180 likes. Let's get 30 more likes going on in the channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting this place, hanging out with me. We got the S&P trying to hold on for dear life here. The NASDAQ rolling over, trying to hold on as well. The Dixie trying to bounce, looking bearish. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay. Are you in the short? Are you in the long? Let me know. Sitting on hands and watching. It's a good way to save money sometimes, I tell you that much. Tomorrow's NVIDIA earnings. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is there going to be a big old AI bubble pop? We'll see. Kelly L is in the short. Let's go, Kelly. Okay, now we got our 786 here, so let's change this up a little bit, right? We always got a 786 bounce. Coming into the 786, we do have liquidity at the lows in here. We want to see this low hold. Right? Sweep in here. Sweep, bounce, and go. Stop loss below the low. That's what we're looking for. Sweep. There's a good volume surge. I'm going to take a stab here. I'm long. Stop loss below the low. Stop loss below the low there. Push, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Push. Push. Come on, baby. Push. No push. Trying to go. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay, I'm out. I'm closing that. Look to re-enter. Quick scalp here. That was full position size. I'm out. Quick scalp. 60 bucks. 70 bucks. Quick scalp. I like the volume in that sweep. Just looking to come back wick test, okay? That'll be quick here. Another winner. Chicken dinner. Gotta be quick. Go 1 minute here, looking for a higher low coming in off the 786 sweep here. Gotta be quick. So I don't always say I entered the trade, but I'm gonna let you guys know if I am being quick with it here. Another winner, chicken dinner. I marketed in on that one as well. Sometimes you got to market in. I wanted to see this push back. It didn't push back here. Quick exit. Intentional with the trade, though. Stop loss below the low. Very cheap trade. Okay, I know where I'm wrong. Continue to wait here. As Buck says, that's a ninja trade. Buck likes the ninja trade. That was a Buck trade. Shout out to Buck. Okay, continuing to roll over here. 87,730 limit ready. Okay. Like to see a pushback here, but not seeing it. Continue to roll over here, coming for the low, mitigation of the low, continuation up. We'll see if we get it. Got short here this morning. Took a quick scalp long just now. Not holding. Okay, this looks weak. Rolling over here, coming for the low in here. We'll see if we bounce. 2 trades today. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
That was for Buck. Buck loves it. Buck loves it. I know he loves it, man. Oh, man. What's going on, Randy? Board PC. Good to see you as well. Okay, continuing to roll here. Good call on the close there. Got the lows here. Going back to the 3-minute here. A little waiting here. 786, no bounce. Okay. We could reclaim and push back. Still an option. A little patience here. Fugly, man. Fugly. Fugly? Is that a word? Fugly? Is that effing ugly? I haven't sworn today. Everybody, I haven't sworn today. You know what? That's a bigger win than swearing, man. I haven't sworn today. I'm going to add $10. Fuck yeah, baby. All right, there we go. I haven't sworn today. I'll add $5 just for that. What a day. All right, pushing off the 786 critical level here, 88,000, trying to hold. Okay, trying to hold here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live, hanging out with us. 350 people here, 186 likes. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel, hanging out with us. Okay, bouncing here. We do have a critical volume level of support here. Liquidity. Yeah. Not ready. Not ready just yet. Liquidity at the lows here. Nice volume down here as well. Rolling over Bitcoin. We're not taking the trade unless we have confirmation, right? Hitting that liquidity level now. Okay. Whoever's in the short, I think Kelly's in the short. Congratulations, Kelly. Nice short. Good job. Make sure you pay yourself, Kelly. Zero slices at a $60. Let's go. Zorro slices. Yeah, I guess so. Catherine Zeta-Jones. Oh my God. In Zorro. That's you didn't watch it for Zorro. I know you guys. You guys are all liars. You did not watch that movie for Zorro. Oh yeah, big dump here on Bitcoin. Shout out to those who took the short. Oh man. Mitigation of the low coming in. Sweep. Bounce. No trade here. No trade here. Like we need, in my opinion, we need to see structure, right? You need to see a higher high, higher low. You want to get long off that. If you're trying to aim for the sky, right? If you're trying to aim for our target today of 91,400, you got to have confirmation bias, right? Right now, you're rolling over. Everything's looking nasty. NASDAQ bull div here. S&P rolling over. Nothing looking good, right? No hopium. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. It's a beautiful day. We long in at 85,000. No, not yet. Ahmed, like your live vibe. Thank you for being here, Ahmed. Much love to you. Hakimi, I like the last name, bro. Where does the swear money go? We'll do a giveaway at the end of the month. So, in a couple of days, we'll do a giveaway and just send it to one of the viewers. The last stream of every month is for the mods. So whatever money we make on the stream and whatever swear jar we have, the swear jar goes to everybody. But we always try to give away to the mods some money every month if we can. So always save your pennies for the end of the month. If you are going to super chat or any of that, make sure you get the mods the gift of giving, man. The gift of giving. I like short shorts, says Dusty Hunt. Alex, you have to get more shorts. Well, we took the short this morning. This up here, you can see like very choppy, right? Not something I liked. I liked this one here. Could have stayed in it. That's fine. Didn't take it. But we did take a short nonetheless, so that's fine. I'm happy with that. We took a little scalp in here. Quick one. Okay, looking to come back down for the lows in here. Unless we sweep, bounce. That's how we're longing. Okay. Right now rolling over here. Quite aggressive. Bitcoin to zero, baby. Bitcoin to zero. We could pull a full fib here and look for a 786 off of this. Right? 786 right now. Golden pocket, platinum pocket kind of deal. Not something I typically look for right off the hop here. Just patience. Patience, patience, patience. Mad volume ramping up here, which is good. Means there are buyers coming in, but not enough in my opinion. Okay. Yeah, we still got room here. Lots of room. Anchor, trigger. Thank you everybody for being here. Supporting the channel. Join the Discord. If you do want to be part of our Discord, I would love for you guys to come over and hang out. Okay? A great community. $1 a day. $30 a month. 4 traders. Okay? Pure alpha. 4 traders. Live updates. Calling the bottoms. All look at this. Look at this. How many times did I say it?
What's going on, everybody?
Live streams,
you guys.
great community.
Quickly, recording has
I'm
started.
gonna play it again just to tell
My
you
wife
guys.
think, or quarterly pivot 382, which is down here. If we are going to come down and hit something, it is 86,886. Put that on your charts. Put an alert on it. 86,886. Put it on your charts. I will say it again. 86,886. Quarterly pivot 382. Very key level. Target of.
All right. That's the last time I'll do that. But join the Discord. It's fun. Oh, I almost swore. Oh, it's effing amazing. Yeah. Amaze balls. As holy balls, amaze balls, whatever you want to call it. Come and hang out, man. RS Miller, thank you for being here. Okay, 5 times already. Once more, and it's a wank. Holy balls, says Alexandra G. Oh, man. That's no good, NT. Thank you for being here, French Toaster. Thank you to the mods. RS Miller. I love when people just come in and say, do my altcoin. I hit the like 4 times now. Good. Rolling. Look at the manipulation before dump too. My God. Shake people out. Drop it like it's hot. So we're looking for bull divs in here. Sweep of the lows. Bounce out of here. Shout out to those who are in the shorts, man. You guys are crushing it. 2 trades today, up $170. Okay, just waiting now. Could have stayed in the short, didn't. That's fine. We took a short. I'm going to get rid of our beautiful level that we gave to you guys, okay? I'm just going to hide it. How about that? I'll hide it because, you know, you got to keep reminding people it's there. It's a bit bright, isn't it? Okay. Platinum pocket, bounce. Still waiting here. Need to get above 91,400 for today. That's a big job, I think. Jeez, 4% move.
Nasty. We do have levels below us here that we are looking at as well. Okay, our key level being 83,366. Okay, add that level. You got some stops before that though, so be careful here. Look for a potential bounce off Bitcoin here. Don't want to rush this. Nice push back here. Okay, possible short opportunity coming in. Pushback getting late shorts wrecked now. Okay. NASDAQ trying to bounce out of this key support level. S&P rolling over as well. 9:55. Thank you everybody for being here. We got 412 people in this live stream. Thank you guys for being here as well. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons. We hit our 200 like goal. Okay. Bitcoin just rolling over here. Patience, patience, patience. Morning, Otter Gang. Good to see a quick smoker. Victor, good to see you as well. TM, do big time. We're a very small person. We can do small time, which is Bitcoin. High volatility, yeah. As to be expected here, chopping people up. Don't want to be a victim here. You need to have confirmation, especially with direction. Are we going down to 85? We've got a big buy level in here around 85.6. Let's see if this holds. This is kind of the make or break here. Big old dump on Bitcoin, man. Shaking them out. Shaking them out. Okay, still waiting here. 9:57. Looking for a little bounce here. Going down to the 1 minute. Thank you for being on the live, everybody. It's good to be back. It's good to see you guys. Sorry I wasn't here yesterday, but family first. That's a nice short signal. Look at that rejection. That's nasty. Nasty, nasty. Yeah. This is going down, man. This is going down. You're not even in the Discord we were talking about yesterday in that update as well. Like you're not long in this until you see strengths, right? So you need to see. I think we were here yesterday just looking at this, but you need to see higher highs, higher lows, and you can get long here, but you're in the downtrend, right? That's the keys. You're in the downtrend, so you're waiting for that break of structure, right? So breaking a high in here, you're looking for the long here. And you can take that trade, but be aware of what your intention is. You're going against trend, right? So your bias should be down, right? Same with here, right? So you roll over here. Woo, right? Woo! It makes that noise when it goes, right? So you need to get above this high, right? Same with this, right? You need to hold this low, double bottom in here. Sweep of the low, higher high, higher low. Trying to go off of that. But your intention should still be down here, okay? Until you see a very clear break of structure, right? So you get above here. You put in a higher low and you start to make higher highs. That should be your giga long right there. Nothing until then. You should be short bias until then. So how do you get short on something like this? Well, you look for continuation patterns and following down using good risk management, right? This was pretty obvious. We failed to get above the high here. We put in a double top here. We had a retest back in there and it fell, right? We got short a bit early. We could have got short in here. A lot of manipulation here in this price action before the
before the rollover. So be patient out there. It's a beautiful day to be alive, to touch some grass, to take a break, to not worry too much. Stay close, hang out with us, join the Discord, all that good stuff. That's enough out of me today. It's good to be back. I'm going to go get a haircut today. I think I'm looking a little bit too silver. So we're going to go get a haircut. Got a lot of things to do today. I'll be in the Discord if you need anything. Thank you guys so much for being here. God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Trade safe. Use a stop loss. Trading is waiting. God bless. Bye. I'm going to send you over to, we'll see. We'll see.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.